Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Let me show you something here. Let me show you how to rebuild a Leslie 122 amplifier without making mistakes in the rebuild process. You don't want to make mistakes. So this is an approach. Now, different people use different approaches. Some people use the memorization approach, and they memorize where everything goes, every part goes, every leg goes. Some people do that. Some people draw out diagrams. Have a friend that's making a computer printout, draw out of or layout of where everything goes. But here's another way of doing it. Look at this. Just get another Leslie 122. If you have them around, another Leslie 122 amplifier that's already, that's authentic or vintage, has not been touched. This comes from the factory. And hopefully you can find one that matches up the one that you're working on, as this does. See, they're match. 1-to-1 match. And whatever this one has, you do this one the same way. Now, and I can see I'm going to add, of course, I'm going to add on both of these. I'll be adding the XYRF safety capacitors. And I know where those go. But in terms of where all the wires go, you can just look at this and follow that as a guideline, and then do this in the same way. For example, let's just take this red wire right here. Now, okay, let's take this red wire right here. Say, okay, where does this red wire go? Well, first of all, I know I'm gonna have to clean it up. All right, there you go. Now, where does this go? Okay. Now, where does this go? Does it go here? Does it go here? You know, where does it go? Does it go here? Does it go here? Does it go? Where does this go? If you got a question, look, all you got to do is trace it right here. And it goes right there. Okay. So over here, you come from here, and it goes right there. So that's where it goes. And I'm gonna tell you, now I'm gonna stick it right under here. Stick it right under there. And I do mine one at a time. So I'm gonna put that in here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and solder that, so that I don't forget that that's there, because I don't want to have that stick in there and think that, okay, it's done, but it hasn't been soldered in. See, that's loose. That's gonna cause issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and solder that, and I'll be through with it. And so you do all the rest of them the same way, following the same approach, and then after a while, you'll have a rebuilt amplifier. Okay, till the next video, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.